at sunrise.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libitor. Also ahead, the Utica University football team is set to open this season tomorrow. We'll tell you why this opener is a special one. But first, the Labor Day holiday weekend is here. Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans is here as well to let us know what we can plan for this big weekend ahead.
Good morning, Gary. So today is going to be very nice, a little bit warmer than yesterday, but still sunny and comfortable. And then for the weekend, it looks like the better half of the weekend is going to be today and tomorrow, and then there is some chances for some rain for Sunday and Monday.
Hopefully small chances.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are very, very chilly to start this morning. Temperatures are ranging in the 40s at this point, but it is going to warm up quite a bit today. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, still comfortable with low humidity, and we will remain dry and mostly sunny throughout today. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar tracking dry conditions as of right now. So it is going to be a beautiful start to the holiday weekend, especially today and tomorrow. Going to be very nice outside. Warmer today than yesterday. Once again, about 10 degrees warmer for the high temperature. For the second half of the holiday weekend, there is some chances for some scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms for Sunday and Monday. But for today, we are dry with sunshine, a slight breeze. Overall, a beautiful day in store. And I will be talking a little bit more about the holiday weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast, never more than 10 minutes away.
Welcome back. Today we are going to be a lot warmer with temperatures reaching the upper 70s for the high, and even warmer tomorrow with highs in the mid 80s. Heading into the beginning of next week, we will drop down back into the 70s, and then we will warm up into the middle of the week with temperatures reaching the low 80s once again. As for today, it still is going to be very comfortable in terms of humidity. Dew point values are going to be right near 50, which is going to feel like almost no humidity at all, but they will rise for the rest of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. Looking ahead to the weekend, tomorrow also looks like a very nice day with partly cloudy skies, a little bit warmer than today with highs in the 80s. As for Sunday, there is a chance to see some scattered showers and some thunderstorms. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica University football.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up to mostly clear skies this morning, and it is very chilly to start, but we will warm up today. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Mostly clear skies. Temperatures are in the 40s at this point, but sunshine and beautiful weather is expected for the rest of the day. And we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking to remain dry today thanks to this area of high pressure that has come in. Very slight breeze outside for the rest of the afternoon with mostly sunny skies. Beautiful day in store to start the holiday weekend. It is very cool to start this morning. Definitely recommend wearing a jacket if you are heading out the door. We have just 44 degrees in Dowdesville, 48 degrees in Utica, and 47 degrees in Whitesboro and Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 46 degrees in Cooperstown and 41 degrees in Sherburne this morning. We will reach the upper 70s for today as the sun comes out and really starts to warm us up. So if you were planning to head over to the New York State Fair in Syracuse, it actually is going to be a pretty nice day this afternoon to go to that. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 70s for the high. It is going to be mostly sunny, low humidity, just a slight breeze outside, so it should feel nice and comfortable. A beautiful day to head outside and go over to that. And even looking ahead for this weekend, it looks like an okay weekend. Today and tomorrow look like the best days of the weekend. It is going to be even warmer tomorrow, highs in the mid 80s, but we still are going to be seeing sunshine. For Sunday and Monday, there is the chance to see a few scattered showers, possibly a few scattered thunderstorms. This looks to come in the afternoon on Sunday and linger a little bit into Monday, but there still is the chance to see a few peaks of sunshine in between and dry weather in between. Overall, not looking widespread or lasting throughout the entirety of both of those days. So let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for today, we are starting out chilly, but we will warm up to the upper 70s for the high temperature as the sun comes out here this morning. Tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover, not as cool as last night with overnight lows just in the upper 50s. And we will really warm up tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, highs reaching the mid 80s. Heading into Sunday, some unsettled weather does start to come in. On Sunday, we will see an increase in cloud cover once again, and a few scattered showers, possibly thunderstorms, do look to form later on into the day on Sunday, and they could last into Monday. But for today, it is going to be beautiful, pleasant, low humidity, just a slight breeze outside with some sunshine, and tonight an increase in cloud cover with a low in the upper 50s. Tomorrow looks very nice as well, with highs in the mid 80s and partly cloudy skies. There's a chance to see a few scattered showers or thunderstorms Sunday and on Labor Day, but we do dry out to more sunshine next week, Gary.
Well, today could be one of the top 10 days of the year, it seems,
yes,
right?
Yes, today looks very, very nice.
Wow, perfect. Hannah, thanks. Still ahead, the TSA's top dog. For joining us for this half hour, I'm Gary Libator. A busy morning here at News Channel 2. But first, we want to get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is here to help us plan our Friday ahead as well as our weekend, and it's getting started. Amazing, right?
Yes, so today is going to be very nice. Low humidity, a slight breeze, sunshine, and temperatures in the 70s.
Wow, you can't ask for more than that.
Yes, I know. It's like a perfect day. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. This morning, though, we are waking up very chilly. Temperatures are just in the 40s, so very cool for this time of year. But as the sun comes out, we will reach the upper 70s. It's going to be a very nice day in store, and it will remain dry. This is our York Full Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. This is thanks to an area of high pressure that had moved in yesterday. Beautiful start today for the holiday weekend. It is going to be a lot warmer than yesterday. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, and tomorrow is going to be even warmer with highs in the 80s. But then there is some chances for some showers, possibly a few thunderstorms for Sunday and for Labor Day on Monday. But for today, sunshine, dry conditions, low humidity. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, and I will be talking a little bit more about the holiday weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the latest forecast.
Welcome back. We are going to be warmer than yesterday. High temperatures in the North Country look to reach the low 70s. In the Mohawk Valley, we will be in the mid to upper 70s, and same thing goes for the Southern Valleys. All of us are going to be seeing sunshine throughout the day with very low humidity and just a slight breeze. So a very good day to do any yard work or mow your lawn. I would definitely say yes for today and yes for tomorrow if you want to do that for the holiday weekend. Sunday, get it done earlier in the day because a cold front will move through in the afternoon, possibly bringing in a few scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. So today and tomorrow look like the two dry days of the holiday weekend, and Sunday and Labor Day on Monday could be seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. We are now continuing our tour of
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out very chilly this morning, but we will warm up today to the 70s. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly clear skies to start here this morning. It will remain sunny for today, so as the sun starts to come up, we will warm up pretty quickly, temperatures reaching the 70s, and we will remain dry. This is our York Full Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, tracking dry conditions in our area. Thanks to this area of high pressure that did come in yesterday, we are going to be seeing dry conditions, sunshine, and very low humidity for today. It's going to be a beautiful day outside. But temperatures this morning are very chilly to start. I would definitely recommend grabbing a jacket if you are heading out the door. We have just 44 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls and 48 degrees in Utica. Looking to the south, we have 45 degrees in Cooperstown and Hamilton this morning. We will reach the upper 70s today, though, with sunshine coming in. So if we were going to do anything outside, maybe head over to the New York State Fair over in Syracuse. It is going to be a beautiful day for that. Low humidity, just a slight breeze, and high temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 70s with mostly sunny skies. So great day to head over to the fair today. And looking ahead to the Labor Day weekend, also a very nice day tomorrow. It will just get a little bit warmer. Highs are going to reach the mid 80s with sunshine and a little bit more humidity in the air. A cold front looks to move through Sunday afternoon. This brings in the possibility of a few scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms Sunday afternoon that could linger a little bit into Labor Day on Monday. But otherwise, it is looking like an okay weekend. I would say the best 2 days are today and tomorrow to do any outdoor activities. For today, we are tracking sunshine throughout the entire day. It is going to warm up to the upper 70s for the high temperature. And tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover, not as cool as last night. Overnight lows only falling into the upper 50s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies are expected. High temperatures are expected to reach the mid 80s, so a little bit warmer than today. And heading into Sunday, we will see an increase in clouds once again. It does look mostly dry in the morning, and then in the afternoon, evening, there's the possibility for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms that could linger a little bit into Monday. So for today, beautiful day, probably the best day of the entire long holiday weekend. Sunshine, highs in the upper 70s, very low humidity. And tonight we will see an increase in cloud cover with a low in the upper 50s. Tomorrow is going to be pretty nice as well. We are just going to see a little bit extra cloud cover compared to today. A little bit warmer too, with highs in the mid 80s. And unsettled weather comes in for Sunday with the chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms for Sunday and Labor Day, Gary.
So another great day to head out to the New York State Fair. Nice and cool.
Yes, for sure. It's not going to be as cool as yesterday, but it'll still be nice.
Yeah, still not those hot days like we see so often at the fair.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. If you are just waking up, thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libitor. Also ahead, the Utica University football team is set to open this season. We'll tell you why this opener is a very special one. But first, the Labor Day holiday weekend forecast. Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans is in with some very promising news.
Yes, so today is going to be very nice. Highs in the upper 70s, low humidity. It's going to be a great day outside. Tomorrow will be nice too, and then there is a chance for some rain for the second half of the weekend.
Hopefully a small chance.
Yeah. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are starting out very chilly this morning. Temperatures are just in the 40s. We will reach the upper 70s today, though, as the sun starts to come out, and it will remain sunny all day. We will not be seeing any precipitation. We are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. So a little bit warmer today, a very nice start to the weekend. Today and tomorrow will be dry and the best days of the weekend. As for the second half of the weekend, Sunday and Monday, there's a chance to see some unsettled weather on both of those days. But for today, sunshine, low humidity, just a slight breeze with highs in the upper 70s. And then we'll be talking a little bit more about the holiday weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. And don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast, never more than 10 minutes away. President
Welcome back. We will be warmer today with highs in the upper 70s and even warmer tomorrow with highs in the mid 80s. After tomorrow, we do drop right back down to the 70s for the rest of the weekend and into next week. Today, it also is going to be very comfortable in terms of humidity. It's almost going to feel like there's no humidity at all with dew point values right near 50, but then it does look to rise again for the rest of the weekend into Labor Day as some unsettled weather approaches on Sunday afternoon. So for tomorrow, it also is going to be dry, partly cloudy skies, highs reaching the mid 80s, so a little bit warmer. And on Sunday, unsettled weather does look to come in the afternoon as a cold front moves through, possibly bringing in a few scattered showers and thunderstorms lingering a little bit into Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica University football.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with some patchy fog, but clear skies underneath that fog this morning, and it is very chilly. So let's take a look now at our Cooperstown camera. Once again, starting to see the fog lift here this morning. But under that fog, we are looking at clear skies. Temperature is in the 40s, but as the sun starts to come up, it will warm up pretty quickly today, a lot warmer than yesterday. And we are looking to remain dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar tracking dry conditions for this morning, and it will be dry today thanks to this area of high pressure that moved in yesterday. We are still going to be dealing with very low humidity, just a slight breeze outside, and sunshine. Highs are going to reach the upper 70s. But according to our Skywatchers this morning, we are very cool. We are in the 40s, 43 degrees in Old Forge, 44 degrees in Clinton, and 48 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 44 degrees in Cooperstown, Lawrence and West Lawrence this morning. So definitely grab a jacket as you are heading out the door this morning. But good news is that today is going to be a beautiful day. We will warm up. So if you are heading over to Syracuse to go to the New York State Fair, great day for that. It is still going to be comfortable in terms of humidity. Sunshine comes in for the day and temperatures will reach the mid to upper 70s for the high. So all in all, a great day to spend some time outside or go over to the State Fair. And on Labor Day weekend, it is going to be an okay weekend. The two best days of the weekend look to be today and tomorrow. We will remain dry with partly cloudy skies tomorrow, and it will get a little bit warmer with highs in the 80s. For Sunday and Monday, there is the chance for some unsettled weather to come in. Sunday afternoon, a cold front looks to move through, bringing in some scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, and that is going to linger a little bit into Monday, but it is not going to be widespread. It's not going to be an all-day event, but still the chance for some rain comes in for the second half of Labor Day weekend. But as for today, mostly sunny skies take over, low humidity. It's going to be a beautiful day outside, highs in the upper 70s, and tonight we will not get as cool as last night. We will see an increase in cloud cover with a low in the upper 50s. Tomorrow, a little bit extra cloud cover than today, but still seeing some sunshine, still dry. Highs are going to be in the 80s. And tomorrow and overnight into Sunday, we will really start to see an increase in cloud cover, and some unsettled weather looks to come in Sunday afternoon with some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. As for today, though, we are remaining dry, sunny, pleasant day, highs in the upper 70s, and tonight an increase in cloud cover with a low in the upper 50s. Tomorrow will remain dry as well, a little bit warmer with partly cloudy skies, highs in the 80s, and then that chance for unsettled weather comes in Sunday and Monday. We do dry out for the middle of next week, Gary.
Just be weary of some showers Sunday and Monday, but today and tomorrow.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Yes. So, I mean, we got a good half of the weekend.
And hopefully a full weekend.
Yes.
Anna, thanks. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libator. A busy morning here at News Channel 2. First, we want to get a check of your big holiday weekend forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is here to check out what lies ahead for this big three-day weekend.
Yes, so it is going to be very nice today. Highs in the upper 70s with sunshine, very low humidity, so it is going to feel comfortable. Another nice day tomorrow, but then we have the chance of rain for the second half of the weekend.
And again, hopefully it's a slight chance.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. Starting out very chilly this morning. Temperatures just in the 40s. But good news is that we will rise to the upper 70s today as the sun starts to come out this morning. And we are dry right now. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We will remain dry for all of today thanks to an area of high pressure. Beautiful start to the holiday weekend with warmer weather today, and even tomorrow we will get a little bit warmer. Our next chance for some rain looks to be Sunday and on Labor Day, so we are keeping an eye out for that unsettled weather coming in. So for today, expect sunshine, a beautiful, pleasant day, highs in the upper 70s, and I will be talking a little bit more about the rest of the Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the latest
Welcome back. We will warm up today. High temperatures in the North Country are going to be in the low 70s. In the Mohawk Valley, we will be in the mid to upper 70s. And same thing for the Southern Valleys. We are going to be seeing sunshine throughout all of today. So great day to do any yard work before the weekend or mow your lawn. I would say yes for today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be just a little bit warmer, but still going to be dry. As for Sunday, if you are planning on doing any of that, definitely get it done earlier in the day, because in the afternoon there is the possibility for a few showers. So today and tomorrow look dry. Sunday, a cold front moves through in the afternoon, bringing a few scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms that will linger a little bit into Labor Day. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks for continuing our tour of area high school.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out pretty chilly this morning, but we will warm up to sunshine today. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera. Overlooking the Mohawk Valley, we can kind of see some fog that is in the valleys lifting here this morning. But after that fog lifts, we are going to be seeing clear skies with some sunshine, and we will warm up quite quickly. We are also going to remain dry today. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are going to be dry thanks to this area of high pressure that had moved in yesterday. Just a slight breeze outside, still low humidity, and with sunshine, it's going to be a beautiful and pleasant day for today. According to our sky watchers, though, we are starting out pretty chilly this morning. We are in the 40s, 43 degrees in Old Forge and 44 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 44 degrees in Cooperstown, Lawrence, and West Lawrence, and even 39 degrees in Hartwick this morning. So once again, starting out very cool for the end of summer, but we will rise to the upper 70s. A great day to spend some time outside. Also a great day to go to the New York State Fair over in Syracuse. High temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. Comfortable humidity, just a slight breeze, not too hot. And we are going to be seeing sunshine. So a great day to head over to the New York State Fair today. And also it's going to be a pretty nice day tomorrow. So I would say the best 2 days of this long holiday weekend is today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we will also remain dry, a little bit warmer with highs in the mid 80s. But as we get into Sunday and Monday, some unsettled weather does look to come in. Sunday afternoon, a cold front moves through. That brings in the possibility for a few scattered showers, possibly a few scattered thunderstorms. That will linger into Monday. But overall, for those 2 days, these showers and storms are not looking widespread, and it is not looking like they are going to last all day. They are going to be scattered. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. Today is going to be beautiful. Highs will reach the upper 70s. Just a slight breeze with sunshine and very low humidity. Tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover. For tomorrow, it is going to be partly cloudy, so a little bit more clouds in the sky than today, and a little bit warmer with highs in the 80s. Heading into Sunday, some unsettled weather does start to come in. A cold front looks to move through Sunday afternoon, bringing in some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms that may linger a little bit into Monday. Before today, looks like to be the nicest day of the long weekend. Sunshine, highs in the upper 70s, very low humidity, and tonight not as cool as last night. Overnight lows are going to be in the upper 50s. Tomorrow is going to be pretty nice as well. We will remain dry, a little bit warmer with highs in the mid 80s. And then unsettled weather looks to come in Sunday afternoon into Labor Day, but we do dry out next week, Gary.
So get outside today and tomorrow for sure.
Yes, today is going to be just beautiful.
Great golf days.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Right now it is 6:50. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libitor. The Labor Day holiday weekend is here, and Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans is here as well, joining us now to help us all plan our holiday weekend, and it's starting out just gorgeous.
Yes, today is going to be a beautiful day, low humidity with lots of sunshine, and a lot warmer than yesterday too.
Boy, we can't ask for anything better than today.
I know. So let's take a look now. If you are heading out the door this morning, it is starting out pretty chilly. Our temperatures are in the 40s, but by the afternoon, since the sun will be out the whole time, temperatures will reach the upper 70s, low humidity with a slight breeze outside. So all in all, a great pleasant day to spend outside with sunshine and highs in the upper 70s. And for tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover, a little bit warmer than last night with a low in the 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast, never more than 10 minutes away. President Biden
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking sunshine for today, and it is going to get a lot warmer than this morning. We are starting out pretty chilly. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We are seeing some patchy fog in the valleys, but once the fog lifts, clear skies with sunshine, and we will warm up quite quickly. We are dry at this point on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and look to remain dry today thanks to this area of high pressure that did come in yesterday. We are expecting just a slight breeze, very low humidity, and sunshine throughout the day. It's going to be a very beautiful day. Make sure you get outside and enjoy it. But we are starting out very chilly this morning. We have just 43 degrees in Old Forge and 44 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 39 degrees in Hartwick and 42 degrees in Milford. Our high temperature today will reach the upper 70s, so we will start to warm up very quickly once the sun really rises here this morning. It's going to be a great day to spend outside, great day to go over to the New York State Fair in Syracuse. High temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 70s with sunshine, nice and comfortable, not too hot. So overall, just a great day to spend some time outside or even go over to the fair. It also is going to be a pretty nice day tomorrow, a little bit extra cloud cover compared to today, and a little bit warmer, but still remaining dry with highs in the mid 80s. Unsettled weather comes in on Sunday afternoon, bringing in the possibility of a few scattered showers, a few scattered thunderstorms that will last a little bit into Labor Day on Monday. But for Sunday, Monday, these showers and storms are not looking widespread, and it is not looking like they're lasting the entire day. They are just going to be off and on. So overall, a pretty nice Labor Day weekend in store, especially for today and tomorrow. For today, expect sunshine, very, very little cloud cover, low humidity, highs in the upper 70s. Overall, great day to spend time outside. And tonight, not as cool as last night with a low in the upper 50s. Tomorrow, we will see a little bit extra cloud cover compared to today, but still dry with highs in the mid 80s. And heading into Sunday, that's when we start to see some unsettled weather come in. A cold front moves through Sunday afternoon. That brings in the possibility of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms that may linger into Monday. But for today, sunshine is expected, highs in the upper 70s, and tonight a low in the upper 50s. We will start to see an increase in cloud cover. We are remaining dry tomorrow, but a little bit more clouds in the sky, highs in the mid 80s. Unsettled weather comes in for Sunday afternoon into Monday, and we do dry out on Tuesday.
Joining us, many people have the day off today as they turned a 3-day holiday weekend into a 4-day holiday weekend. And if you do have it off today, you picked a good one. It is gorgeous out. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now from the Weather Center. And Hannah, what a gorgeous day out there it is today.
Yes, very low humidity and not too hot. Temperatures at this point are just in the upper 60s, low 70s, and beautiful sunshine.
Good way to start the weekend.
Yes, it is. So if you did want to spend time outside this weekend, I would definitely say yes for today. And even tomorrow is going to be dry during the day. A little bit more cloud cover tomorrow and a little bit warmer, but still a nice day in store tomorrow. Unsettled weather looks to come in Sunday later on in the day, so definitely head out earlier in the day on Sunday, and that weather looks to last into Monday a little bit. But for the next few days, we will be near 80 for today, mid 80s tomorrow. So we do get a little bit warmer tomorrow. The hottest day of the weekend is tomorrow, and then we drop back down into the upper 70s. So beautiful start to the holiday weekend for today and tomorrow. It is going to be warmer today than yesterday, even a little bit warmer tomorrow. And then there is the chance for that rain for the second half of the weekend. But as for today, make sure you get outside, sunshine, a slight breeze, very low humidity, and I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Turning now to
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. It is a beautiful day outside this afternoon, not too hot and not any clouds in the sky. So let's take a look at our Cooperstown camera. We can see now just blue skies here this afternoon, very low humidity, a slight breeze. All in all, feels like a perfect summer day outside for the rest of the day. And we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and we look to remain dry for all of today, even into tomorrow, thanks to this area of high pressure that did come in. We are just seeing a slight breeze, very low humidity, and almost perfect weather for the end of summer. According to our Skywatchers, temperatures at this point are in the 60s to 70s. We have 69 degrees in Mohawk, 71 degrees in Otsego, and 72 degrees in Clinton. We will rise to the mid to upper 70s for the high temperature today, so not too hot. It is going to feel pretty nice outside and a great day to spend outside. Maybe go over to the New York State Fair in Syracuse. Once again, high temperatures are going to reach the mid to upper 70s, and we are seeing sunny skies at this point, little to no cloud cover and low humidity, so it is going to feel nice and comfortable if you are going to be walking around at the fair. Looking ahead to the rest of the Labor Day weekend, it looks dry tomorrow, a little bit extra cloud cover compared to today, and a little bit warmer. High temperatures will reach the mid 80s, but tomorrow looks like a nice day as well. Looking ahead to Sunday and Monday, there is going to be some unsettled weather that looks to come in Sunday afternoon. A few scattered showers, possibly a few scattered thunderstorms for the afternoon into the evening on Sunday, and that may linger a little bit into the day on Monday for Labor Day. So overall, it doesn't look too bad, not widespread, not going to be an all-day event, but keep in mind we could be seeing some precipitation on Sunday later on in the day that will linger a little bit into Monday. Let's Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for today, a perfect day outside, highs in the mid to upper 70s, low humidity and just a slight breeze. So make sure you spend some time outside today. Not getting quite as cold tonight as it did last night. Overnight lows will be in the upper 50s. We will see an increase in cloud cover and more clouds in the sky is expected for tomorrow. But we do remain dry with highs in the mid 80s. Heading into Sunday, that's when some unsettled weather looks to come in. We will be seeing cloudy skies for Sunday, and Sunday afternoon is when that cold front moves through, so that is when we can be seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. As for today, we are remaining dry, a beautiful and pleasant day to spend outside. Highs are in the mid to upper 70s, and tonight we will be seeing a low in the upper 50s, not as cool as last night, with an increase in cloud cover. Tomorrow looks to remain dry as well, but definitely not as nice as today. Highs are going to be in the mid 80s. Some unsettled weather looks to come in Sunday afternoon, lingering a little bit into Labor Day, but we do dry out for Tuesday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Monkeypox cases in the futures as a heat wave bears down on Southern California. Triple-digit temperatures were felt for much of the area, pushing residents to find creative ways to stay cool. Weather experts say the heat wave is expected to stick around through the weekend. Heat warnings could last through Monday, but the risk continues through Tuesday and possibly longer as the high-pressure system weakens. The hottest temperatures are expected Sunday and on Monday, Labor Day. Well, no heat like that here, just perfect temperatures today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us once again with a look at the forecast in this half hour.
We are seeing a beautiful and pleasant day outside with cooler temperatures just in the upper 60s and low 70s, and it is nice and comfortable. So if you did want to spend time outside, I would definitely say yes for today and for tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, but still dry. As for Sunday, there is the chance to see some unsettled weather come in later on in the day. So I would definitely recommend getting out earlier in the day on Sunday. But for today, highs are going to be in the upper 70s, nice and comfortable, very low humidity. It does get a little bit humid and warmer tomorrow, but then we drop right back down into the 70s for the rest of the weekend. Beautiful start to the holiday weekend, especially today. Just a perfect day outside, low humidity, slight breeze. Temperatures in the 70s with sunshine. It is a little bit warmer today than it was yesterday. It will get a little bit warmer tomorrow, but then there is the chance to see some rain for the second half of the weekend, which is Sunday and Monday. But for today, it is perfect outside. Temperatures in the 70s, almost no clouds in the sky, and I will be talking a little bit more about the Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks now to a follow.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. It is perfect weather outside for the rest of the day with high temperatures reaching the upper 70s. Let's take a look now at our Cooperstown camera. We can see not a cloud in the sky for this afternoon. Very low humidity, just perfect summer weather. Temperatures at this point are just around 70. And we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We look to remain dry for the rest of the day and even into tomorrow, thanks to this area of high pressure that moved in yesterday. Just a slight breeze outside is expected and very low humidity, so it is not feeling too hot. Just perfect weather for today. According to our sky watchers, we are just around 70 for the temperature at this point. 69 degrees in Mohawk, 71 degrees in Otsego, and 72 degrees in Clinton. The high temperatures today will reach the mid to upper 70s, so not too hot and not too cool for the end of summer. If you were heading outside or going to the New York State Fair over in Syracuse, perfect weather for that today. High temperatures are once again in the mid to upper 70s with sunshine, just a slight breeze. So you won't be too hot walking around with very low humidity as well. Looking ahead for the rest of the Labor Day weekend, tomorrow looks like a pretty nice day as well. There is going to be a little bit extra cloud cover tomorrow. It is going to get a little bit warmer. Highs are going to be in the mid 80s, but it still looks dry for the day tomorrow. So I would say today and tomorrow are the two good days of this long holiday weekend. As for Sunday, Monday, there is the chance to see some unsettled weather start to come in Sunday afternoon, and that will linger a little bit into Monday due to a cold front moving through. But for both of these days, this precipitation does not look widespread. It does not look like an all-day event. It just looks to be in the later hours of Sunday into the morning, afternoon hours of Monday. So let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for today, we are tracking beautiful weather, dry dry conditions, highs in the upper 70s with low humidity. And tonight will not be as cool as last night. Overnight lows will be in the upper 50s, and we will see an increase in cloud cover. For tomorrow, more cloud cover than today, but still looking to remain dry and a lot warmer with highs in the 80s. And then as we head into Sunday, that's when the unsettled weather does start to come in, especially in the afternoon hours of Sunday. That's when the cold front moves through. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible. As for today, though, we are remaining dry. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. Just beautiful outside. Make sure you get out and enjoy it. And tonight, not as cool with an increase in cloud cover, a low in the upper 50s. Tomorrow gets a little bit warmer, but we do still remain dry with highs in the 80s. Unsettled weather looks to come in Sunday afternoon into Monday. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible, but we do dry out on Tuesday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Labor Day weekend draws boaters.
It's 5:03. Let's get a first look at your forecast. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Bill tonight.
It's been a very beautiful Friday so far today. Plenty of sunshine, very low humidity. It's been absolutely beautiful. And in fact, here's a look at our Murabito camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. It is currently 79 degrees in Oneonta right now, so a bit on the warmer side, but still very comfy with low humidity. Live look at our radar. Things are looking dry across the area. And once again, temperatures are in the upper 70s to possibly low 80s out towards the west. And as you can see, those dew points are in the 50s, so it is feeling very comfortable out right now. Weather headlines for this weekend. Beautiful start to the holiday weekend. It'll be a bit warmer tomorrow with highs reaching the mid-80s, and then rain chances increase for the second half of this weekend heading into Labor Day itself. This evening, though, beautiful conditions. Be sure to spend time outside. Temperatures cooling down into the 70s. Have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thanks so much, Eric. Focusing on the economy.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Happy Friday. A beautiful Friday and a beautiful start to the weekend. Labor Day weekend with temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 70s across the area with plenty of sunshine. In fact, here's a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica and the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing some high level clouds moving through our area right now. These are cirrus clouds, ice clouds way up in the atmosphere. However, still see plenty of sunshine and possibly a very nice sunset this evening. Across the state on our New York State Mesonet, similar story, blue skies across the board with some light clouds moving in from the west, and that'll be the story across the area this evening. Now, live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2. Doppler radar, we are dry across the area this evening, and we look to remain dry today as well as tomorrow morning. Take a look at our Labor Day weekend forecast. For tomorrow, the bigger picture is the heat and increasing humidity, warming up into the mid-80s with still some peaks of sunshine, but looking a lot more cloudy compared to today. Pop-up showers and storms could be possible heading into Sunday with highs reaching the upper 70s. And then on Monday, possibility of widespread rain showers looking ahead to a cold front. And on top of that, a low pressure moving in from the southwest. Recapping this right here on the radar and satellite, the bigger picture right now, this high pressure that brought us very pleasant weather over the past couple of days is now moving out towards the east, and our next weather makers look to be this cold front from the north as well as this low pressure down towards Ohio. Now what this will be doing, this will be combining and forming a cold front as well as a low pressure moving over our area, and this could mean pop-up showers and storms for Saturday or for heading into Sunday. And then heading into Monday, if this low pressure continues to move out towards over our area, we could see widespread rain showers on Monday. This could be a hit or miss. We'll have more details throughout the weekend and what to expect for rainfall heading into Labor Day. On our Skycast tonight, cooling down on the mild side into the upper 60s and upper 50s as well. Increasing clouds heading into tomorrow and looking ahead towards the next several days. More humid conditions are on the way with humidity warming up with dew points reaching the upper 60s. And heading into Sunday morning, a lingering shower in the southern valleys. Overall, mostly dry throughout both Saturday as well as Sunday morning, but still Sunday afternoon, we could see a pop-up shower or storm move through our area. This will be ahead of a cold front arriving in our area over the weekend. Recap of the weather tonight, a low of 58 degrees with increasing clouds throughout the overnight hours, and tomorrow, high of 85. Partly cloudy skies and a light breeze from the southwest. Plenty of sunshine heading into Sunday still, but we're still going to be seeing plenty of chances for rain showers heading into Sunday and Monday. Take a look at our 7-day forecast. Warmer on Saturday, higher chances of rain showers heading into Labor Day, but dry weather looks to be the case. Look ahead towards lingering showers on Tuesday and eventually Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Highs reaching the upper 70s to low 80s with plenty of sunshine.
It looks good, and for the final weekend of the fair and Labor Day weekend.
Yes.
Thank you, Eric. All right, and now a look at what to expect in that final week forecast in this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, a beautiful weekend ahead, right?
Yes, so mostly for today as well as tomorrow. There's a bit of an iffy chance for some rain showers heading into Sunday and Monday, but still, if you want to get some outdoor things done, especially if you can go to the fair as well, looks to be the best case scenario for this evening as well as tomorrow. Let's recap August temperatures versus average. Other than the heat wave that arrived in the early part of August, has been primarily a very average month for temperatures. We haven't seen any record-breaking temperatures. Actually, we only hit 90 degrees 3 times for this month of August, and once again, no records broken. Now, on our 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, this is for this end of this week as well as the beginning of next week. We're looking to head towards above average temperatures for this time of year. However, above average temperatures is not in the 80s, does not feel very hot, but still we're feeling temperatures on the upper side of the 70s to low 80s. Now, for this evening, beautiful conditions, great to spend time outside. In fact, it's been great to go out to the fair as well as today, including tomorrow, but in the warmer side tomorrow, but still pleasant conditions this evening. Have your full weekend forecast, including what to expect for rainfall heading into Monday coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. The National Hurricane Center said today that Tropical Storm Danielle has strengthened into the first hurricane of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season. The hurricane is now located about 885 miles west of the Azores. The Category 1 hurricane is packing maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. The storm is expected to slowly turn toward the northeast early next week. Residents in Jackson, Mississippi.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. It has been an absolutely gorgeous Friday across central New York today, with highs reaching the upper 70s to mid 70s, and some areas on the cooler side in the upper 60s. That's due to the very low humidity in our atmosphere. In fact, let's take a look at today's almanac so far. The high for the day, 76 degrees currently right now. Low for the day, 46. It was a chilly start this morning. Other than that, no records broken. The average temperatures in the 70s, mid 70s for this time of year, and the mid 50s for this time of year for the lows. And as I said before, no records broken today. Now, a live look at our Maverick camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. You can see this is a similar story across most parts of the area today. Not a cloud in the sky. If you are seeing clouds, they are these very wispy cirrus clouds in the atmosphere that are basically made of ice. These really thin clouds, so sunshine can easily peek through them. Expect plenty of sunshine this evening. Live look at our Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry across the area this evening and look to remain dry for the start of Labor Day weekend. Skywatchers this evening checking in with 72 in Old Ford, 78 in Middleville, 74 in Mohawk, 75 in New Hartford, 79 degrees in Clinton, 70 degrees in West Leiden. Southern Valley's temperatures in the 70s and 60s, 69 in Milford, 79 in Paynes Hollow, 74 Edmiston, 77 Richfield Springs, 76 Eaton, 77 degrees in Otsego. The story over the weekend is that humidity. It will continue to be increasing for the next several days. Starting out on Saturday, a bit on the muggy side, the humidity really starts to kick in on Sunday ahead of a cold front arriving. And then rain showers move through on Monday, still a bit on the muggy side, but after that, a high pressure builds in, and we're tracking very pleasant conditions for the end of next week, seeing Tuesday, very comfy humidity across the area. Radar and satellite composite, what is influencing our weather for today? Basically, a high pressure dome is moving out towards the east. That did bring us very pleasant weather over the past several days. Now, we keep an eye on a cold front arriving from the north, as well as a low pressure arriving from the south. This will be your weather makers heading into Sunday and Monday for Labor Day. Now, this all depends on the timing, whether how much rainfall or when we see rainfall. This cold front pushes through heading into Monday, and on top of that, this low pressure moving in later on Monday as well could produce some widespread showers, and it all depends on the timing on whether we see showers in the midday or heading into the evening on Monday. On our Skycast tonight, cooling down in the upper 50s and low 60s with plenty of cloud cover to start out the day tomorrow. Still, some peaks of sunshine, an overall pleasant day with highs reaching the mid 80s and then cooling down into the 70s and 60s overnight. Warm front pushes through. We'll see pop-up showers and storms possible heading into Sunday evening, but still mostly dry tonight as well as tomorrow, and a pop-up shower or storm is possible heading into Monday evening. Tonight, a low 58 degrees with increasing clouds. Tomorrow, peaks of sunshine, partly cloudy skies, highs in the mid 80s. Our 7-day forecast, though, rain chances increase Sunday and Monday, but after that, lingering showers on Tuesday, and at the middle of next week to the end of next week looks very beautiful with plenty of sunshine and temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s.
first look at your forecast. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Looking to go out and enjoy the New York State Fair for the final weekend of the fair. The best day to go out and enjoy it is going to be today with very low humidity and plenty of sunshine this evening. Temperatures cooling down into the low 70s and upper 60s overnight. Now, looking ahead towards the next several days, we could be seeing increasing humidity as well as increasing chances for rain showers, especially Sunday and into Monday. So once again, the best day to enjoy outdoor activities looks to be today. Live look at our radar. Things are looking dry across the area, and current temperatures are in the 70s. Pleasant conditions with low humidity. As you can see, dew points are in the mid-50s. Our weather headlines: a beautiful start to the holiday weekend. It will be a bit warmer tomorrow with highs reaching the mid-80s and increasing humidity as well. Also increasing chances for rain showers in the second half of the weekend and Sunday, including Monday for Labor Day. Now, for today and into this evening, temperatures cooling down into the 70s and 60s with plenty of sunshine and low humidity as well. Have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. Oneida County.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Happy Friday. It's been absolutely beautiful across the area this afternoon and evening with temperatures ranging in the upper 60s to upper 70s with plenty of sunshine and very low humidity. Here's a live look at our Cavier Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing some clouds slowly start to move in from the west right now. These are only some thin upper atmosphere clouds. Still expect plenty of sunshine and possibly a very nice sunset with these clouds. Looking ahead towards a beautiful stretch of weather for today as well as tomorrow, but increasing humidity will be the story over the next several days. Live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry across the area this afternoon and evening, and into tonight and into early tomorrow morning will be dry for our next chance of rain showers. Looks to arrive heading into Sunday. Skywatchers this evening checking in 72 Old Forge, 76 degrees in Inlet, 74 in Mohawk, 75 New Hartford at 79 degrees in Clinton. Southern Valleys, 79 in Paynes Hollow, 76 in Worcester, 69 degrees in Milford, 77 Richfield Springs, 74 in both Edmiston and Hartwick. Our humidity outlook over the next several days, it will slowly be on the rise after a very beautiful stretch of weather with very low humidity. Heading into Saturday, being on the muggy side, it will really start to increase heading into Sunday ahead of a cold front arriving. And after that, some lingering showers on Monday, still on the muggy side, and the humidity finally breaks on Tuesday. Comfy conditions with lower humidity. Now, looking to get some yard work done over the next several days or spend time outside. Tomorrow is your best bet. It will be on the warmer side with a little bit higher humidity, but still a beautiful day tomorrow. Increasing chances for rain showers on Sunday. Early case to do some yard work on Sunday. And I would say no for the time being on Monday. We still have to work out the timing of some rain showers. But other than that, the next several days, looking to be tonight as well as tomorrow, your best bet for outdoor activities. Radar and satellite composite shows a high-pressure dome moving out towards the east and bringing up some warmer air from the south. It will be the story for the next several days, the increasing temperature and humidity. However, arriving from the north and from the southwest is a low pressure as well as a cold front. This will be increasing our chances for rain showers on Sunday. A pop-up shower or storm can be possible, and on Monday, the possibility of widespread showers as that low pressure moves directly over our area. Time it all out on our Skycast tonight, cooling down only in the upper 60s, upper 50s, and lower 60s with some moving cloud cover over our area. And then heading into the next several days, increasing cloud cover for Saturday, temperatures warming up into the in the mid 80s. And on Sunday, chances of seeing some pop-up showers and storms, especially in the evening, but the morning looks mostly dry. Recap of the weather tonight, a low of 58 degrees with increasing clouds. Tomorrow, high of 85, peaks of sunshine with some cloudy conditions across the area. And our 7-day forecast, dry weather for tomorrow, increasing chances for rain showers Sunday and Monday, lingering showers on Tuesday, dry weather ahead for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Eric. An update to the United...
All out there today, let's take a look at your first forecast. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Yes, try something new with the AR graphics for today. Temperatures cooling down only into the 50s overnight. Take a look at current conditions. Temperatures in the 60s right now. Now across the state, we are still seeing temperatures in the 60s. 64 in Whitesboro, 58 Little Falls, 59 in Lake Pleasant. So a bit on the cooler side, especially if you are in higher elevations around the area tonight. Now the weather headlines throughout the area. Now first starting out with their sleeping forecast is going to be absolutely gorgeous to leave those windows open overnight with pleasant conditions. Temperatures cooling down once again only into the upper 50s to low 60s, especially in the Mohawk Valley. So definitely want to leave those windows open. Don't need AC and you don't need a fan for tonight. Weather headlines: increasing clouds tonight. It'll be warmer and a little bit more humid tomorrow, with highs reaching the lower to mid 80s across our area. We are tracking the chance to see some scattered showers on Saturday or on Sunday, and a chance of widespread showers heading into Monday. Overall tonight, cooling down only into the 50s and 60s. Now your full weekend forecast, your full holiday weekend forecast coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Said today that Tropical Storm Danielle has strengthened into the first hurricane of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season. The hurricane is now located about 885 miles west of the Azores. The Category 1 storm is packing maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. The NHC said Danielle is moving west about 1 mile per hour. It is forecast to meander over the open Atlantic during the next couple of days. Some additional strengthening is possible during the next couple of days. The storm is then expected to slowly turn to the northeast early next week. Oneida
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. An absolutely gorgeous day across central New York today. The highs reaching the mid to upper 70s across the area. A bit on the chilly side this morning, the low 46 degrees. Now it'll be a bit warmer tomorrow. As you can see, those record temperatures at 96, 1953, 38 for the record low set back in 1949. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are tracking dry conditions tonight, very pleasant conditions for sleeping, cooling it down into the upper 50s to low 60s. And a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, similar story, dry conditions across the state this evening. As we head around the clock tomorrow, we do start out on the cooler side in the lower 60s to upper 50s, warming up into the mid 70s to upper 70s, and reaching out into the mid to upper 80s or the lower to mid 80s by the afternoon and evening. Other than that, cloud cover across the board. We're going to see a lot more cloud cover tomorrow compared to today, but still we'll see peaks of sunshine and otherwise mostly dry day across the area. The big story over the next several days is humidity. Humidity will slowly increase tomorrow after a very pleasant day today. On the muggy side, it does increase to the humid side on Sunday for a cold front moves through our area, along with a low pressure system, bringing some widespread showers possible on Monday. Still on the muggy side, and the humidity finally breaks on Tuesday. Now, breaking this all down on the radar and satellite, there's a high pressure dome moving out towards the east that is guiding up some warmer temperatures into our area, and we're keeping an eye on the next chance of rain showers, including this cold front arriving from the northwest, as well as a low pressure system arriving from the southwest. These will start to combine and increase our chances for rain showers heading into Sunday as well as Monday for a higher chance of seeing some widespread showers. Breaking it all down in our Skycast tonight, cooling down only into the 50s and 60s, warming up tomorrow into the mid to lower 80s across the area. We're still seeing plenty of cloud cover, a little bit peak of sunshine across the area, but mostly dry. Clear conditions overnight into Sunday morning, and then seeing a chance of a scattered pop-up shower or storm possible heading to Sunday evening. This will be due to a cold front arriving from the north, but still there's a very low chance, but still seeing some chances for some rain showers heading into Sunday. The highest chance of rain looks to be as we head into Monday on Labor Day. Tonight, a low 58 with increasing clouds. Tomorrow, a high of 85, partly cloudy skies. Still peaks of sunshine and otherwise mostly cloudy start to the morning. Your 7-day forecast looking ahead towards the end of Labor Day weekend, increasing chances for rain showers, increasing humidity heading into Sunday. Dry conditions look to be the story as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Looking at temperatures warming up into the upper 70s to low 80s.
Well, today, let's take a look at your first forecast. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Yes, an early taste of fall, and that's due to those dew points. Dew points today in the lower to mid 50s, so definitely an early taste of fall. Tonight, cooling down into the lower 60s to upper 50s across the area with increasing clouds. I'm taking a look at current conditions across the area. 63 degrees in Whitesboro, 57 in Little Falls, 58 in Lake Pleasant, 61 in Earlville, and 56 degrees checking in Cooperstown. Perfect weather to go to open the windows for tonight. Perfect sleeping conditions with temperatures once again cooling down into the 50s and 60s. So definitely you don't need an air conditioner tonight, don't need a fan, just leave those windows open. Perfect conditions tonight for sleeping. Weather headlines: increasing clouds tonight. It'll be warmer and a bit more humid tomorrow with a bit more cloud cover as well. We are tracking the chances for rain showers and storms possible heading into later on this Labor Day weekend coming up in just a minute. Tonight, though, cooling down into the 50s and 60s. I have your full forecast coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The National Hurricane Center said today that Tropical Storm Danielle has strengthened into the first hurricane of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season. The hurricane is now located about 885 miles west of the Azores. Category 1 hurricane is packing maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. The NHC said Danielle is moving west about 1 mile per hour and is forecast to meander over the open Atlantic during the next couple of days. Some additional strengthening is possible during the next couple of days as well. Storm is then expected to turn toward the northeast away from the eastern United States early next week. Oneida County and the state.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Recapping an absolutely gorgeous start to the Labor Day weekend. Highs for the day reaching the upper 70s. The low a bit on the chilly side this morning, a 46 for the low. Now, no records broken. The record high 96 set back in 1953. The record low at 38 degrees, but the chilly side right there set back in 1949. Now, a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are tracking dry conditions tonight. It will remain dry throughout the day, most of the day tomorrow, with a chance for a lingering shower or two to move through the area heading into Sunday with a pop-up shower or storm. Live look at the Hartford Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Similar story. Dry conditions across the state so far this evening. Now, as we head around the clock tomorrow, after the low temperatures reach the lower 60s to upper 50s, we do warm up into the upper 70s to low to mid 80s by the afternoon. You can see 3 or 4 o'clock reaching the highs of 82, 83. The highest temperature we can see will be 85 degrees. Now, around the clock with conditions for sunshine, we can still see some cloud cover lingering throughout the morning and afternoon. We could be seeing decreasing clouds heading into the evening, but still expect plenty of cloud cover, still seeing some peaks of sunshine. The big story over the next several days will be the humidity. After a beautiful day today, humidity will be on the rise tomorrow. Still noticeable, not too high. The humidity will be on the rise again heading into Sunday ahead of a cold front arriving from the northwest. And after that, lingering showers on Monday. Still could see some muggy conditions, but after that, comfy conditions will be the story for Tuesday as the cold front finally pushes through our area. Radar and satellite composite, what is influencing weather so far today? To start, there is a high pressure dome moving out towards the east. Now what this is doing, this is dragging up some more warm and humid air across the area for the next several days. And our next rainmakers look to be this cold front arriving from the northwest, as well as a low pressure system arriving from the southwest. This will bring possibly of some widespread showers heading into Labor Day itself, with a pop-up shower or storm looking to be heading into Sunday. Playing it all out on our Skycast tonight, cooling down into the lower 60s to upper 50s, warming up tomorrow into the lower to mid 80s across the area. A bit on the cooler side in the North Country and Southern Valleys, highs reaching the upper 70s. Cooling down into the 60s overnight again for Sunday morning, with a pop-up shower or storm possible with that cold front arriving from the north. Still seeing a lingering chance of a shower or storm. The highest chance of rain showers look to be on Monday. Tonight, a low of 58 degrees with increasing clouds. Tomorrow, high of 85 with partly cloudy to partly sunny skies. And our 7-day forecast, increasing chances of rain showers heading into Labor Day. But dry weather looks to return heading into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All those highs reaching the upper 70s to low 80s.